gatherings. I didn't even know we had all these things in Orange. Like, I live 5 minutes away from here, and I walk here, and that's really cool because I didn't even know that we had this here. Also with the farmers market, I didn't know we had that, and I've been wanting to go. So I just find it really cool that because I've got into this program, I now know that we have all these resources that I didn't know we had, and I just really like that.
Well, we're here at the OC Baking Company thanks to the generosity of Dean Kim giving us the opportunity to have all our students here today with the Pasern Family Foundation Food Literacy Program for our high school students here in Orange. We're really excited about this. They're getting the opportunity to have hands-on. We're so thankful again to the Pasern Family Foundation for selecting us to be able to give the kids these opportunities. So one more time and we'll see how it goes at this class. I know they're going to really enjoy it.